Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to extract a RAR file using RAR software. At first you have to go this site. You can find this link from my video description box. So let's get started. I'm click Chrome browser and fire this link into address bar. Now you are seeing WinRar website here. So if you are using 64-bit version Windows, then you have to click here, and if you are using 30-bit version, then you have to click here. So I am using 64-bit version, so I clicked here, download WinRar. Scroll down and click download now. You can see WinRar 64 version is now downloading. And I'm going to install WinRar 64-bit version. Click on install. Mark ISO file, because sometimes we need to extract ISO files. So WinRar can also extract ISO file. Now I am show you a RAR file which format is RAR. After clicking on properties, you can see RAR file extension .rar. So I'm going to extract this file by WinRar application. Now I open WinRar software. Now I am extracting a RAR file whose name is directx. Now you can see this file is extracted by WinRar software, and also setup file is now available.